I know y'all been seeing these bombshell curls everywhere, and I know you want to know how to do them. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Adrienne if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back to another motherfucking hair video. If you can't tell, I'm all dressed up. I'm about to go to a lunch real quick, but I want to go ahead and do my hair. So we are being sponsored today by Hermosa hair. They sent us over another glueless unit. Y'all know how I feel about glueless units. Of course, we got our hair baggie. This is how it came to me. It came in just a bag. And then they sent us this. It's a baggie of goodies. Ooh. So we got some lashes, of course. But it comes with two pairs in there. One is a thicker pair and one is a thinner pair. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. We got some more press-ons. Come on, these press-ons have been cute lately. And then they also sent us this mini like makeup kit, I guess. It's so cute. This is what it looks like. Of course, we got some HD wig caps. Y'all know how I feel about these. And last but not least, we got a headband. So that's everything that came in the bag aside from the hair. Now, let me show you this hair. This is a 26-inch wig. This is how it came, literally straight out the pack. It came with rollers in the front for the bang. And then it has these pretty like body wave curls to them. I don't remember the exact texture, but I believe it is a body wave unit. As I'm running my fingers through it, it's no shedding, which is always a good sign. It is full all the way to the ends. Love that for me. This is the lace and the inside of the lace. And we have a band that we can also adjust to securely attach to our head. Yeah. Oh, and it comes with multiple combs. This one has two side combs, a front comb, and a back comb. So y'all know the drill. We're gonna go ahead and part our hair into two little ponytails. I can't wait. I have not really been rocking with my hair lately. I don't know what it is. Actually, I do know what it is. It's this front part. Okay, so I pulled up the details of the hair. I know I look crazy right now, but I pulled up the details of the hair. This is a 8x5 closure curtain bang wig. So what I'm gonna do is keep the curtain bangs and just kind of reinforce the shape of it and add some curls. That doesn't sound complicated, right? I don't think so. I'm just using my nails to part my hair down the middle. I cannot be bothered to get up and get a comb right now. I just cannot. All right, now that we have the hair and two somewhat ponytails, girl. I don't even want to turn to the back because I know they're not even like this. I know the parts ain't even. We're gonna put our wig cap on because y'all know how I do. If you don't know what I'm about to do next, are you new here or what? Like literally, you don't need nothing expensive, girl. You don't need no foundation, spray, all that good stuff that the girls be using. You don't need that. Just go to the beauty supply and get you some Ruby Kisses. Now, if you want to use some more expensive products, maybe some products that don't necessarily what they say, cake up the lace or whatever, then by all means do what your budget may allow, you know. But for me, it's not that deep. And whenever it's time to clean it off, I'm gonna throw some Dawn dish soap on it. We're gonna throw her on. Ooh, the fit is really nice. Oh, not the bang. I always pull the back down first. Okay, these gonna have to come down. Thank you. I like to adjust my back comb first and then go into the side combs. I just find that it makes the install a lot easier. All right, we finally got the wig on. So far, I really do like the lace. Of course, she's gonna need a little love. She's gonna need a little love to layer down and get her together. Again, I do have low edges, so that's kind of a thing with this wig. But since we're doing a bang look, you're not really gonna see it anyway. So I'm not even tripping over that. I'm gonna part it down the center. It does have really deep parting. This is an 8x5 wig. A really good parting. Again, if you are a girl with a regular forehead, this would be very light work for you. It is really soft though and really full. I don't remember what density this hair is, but it is super full. If y'all can't see it. I'm gonna keep the length of the bang that they have right here in the front, and I'm gonna show y'all how to layer your wigs properly. We're gonna lay this part down first though. You can really see with this angle how deep the parting actually is. Y'all know this wax stick is my girl. This is the Care wax stick. It is the perfect wax stick, literally. I'm gonna comb the bang part to the front with the hot comb so that it kind of falls in my face instead of falling like to the side. So now we pretty much have the top of the wig flat for the most part. I wish I can get it flatter, but my freaking hot comb doesn't get hot enough. I need to go ahead and get a new one, but in order to get the layers but keep the length, we're gonna go ahead and separate the sides. So I'm gonna separate this side and the front and the back. So you're gonna separate the front from the back. And then just kind of put this away in a ponytail or something. For this next part, you're gonna go ahead and take the sides that you separated, section them into 3 parts. So top, which should be your bang, like this. And I'm gonna just use a little clip like this to separate them. Top, and then we got middle. These should be semi-even sections. They don't have to be exactly symmetrical, but just for the most part. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So now you're gonna take this top section that should include your bang. And what you're gonna do is either you're gonna take some scissors or a razor comb. I've done this multiple times before, so I'm gonna use scissors. But if you're new to this, use a razor comb. It's so much easier. So you see where the ending of the bang is right here, but we still have all of this hair. We're gonna feather cut all of that hair off. So what that looks like is with my scissors, I'm gonna lightly, not straight across, but just lightly cut across in like a zigzag motion. So something like that, you know? All the hairs shouldn't be the exact same length or anything like that, just, you know, and then we're gonna go in and point cut. I think that's what it's called, point cut. And this is your first layer, okay? So now we're gonna take that second section and comb it out. And wherever that first layer ended, which is right here, we're gonna go ahead and cut 1 inch lower than that. So you're gonna take your finger, come down 1 inch from that, which is about right here. And you're gonna do the same thing, just zigzag cut. Like that. We're gonna do the exact same thing to the bottom section. Wherever the shortest layer, I mean the longest layer is, we're gonna come down 1 inch from that, and we're gonna cut it again. Like that. And it looks short right now, but it's okay. The back is gonna come into play, okay? You see how like not very much hair is coming off in one piece? That's how you wanna go ahead and feather it, just lightly. You don't want it to all just, you know? And now you see how these 2 sections are pretty much the same length. And that's what you want. We're gonna take our hair, we're gonna split it down the middle and bring the back to the front. And these don't have really bad ends on them, but if they did, Well, we was chop it off regardless, but if they did, you want to trim it all the way up to where the ends aren't bad. But since we don't have bad ends like that, I'm just gonna cut off about that much of each, okay? Can y'all see that? I'm just gonna cut off these ends, just going blunt straight across. Again, I know it looks crazy because my edges are out, but just bear with me, bear with me. We're gonna kind of spread the hair like this. And wherever that last shortest section was that we cut in the front, we're just gonna cut at an angle to the back, straight downward. Don't be scared to cut the hair off. That's the whole point. We are layering. We're gonna do the same thing on this side, separate the hair. If you got hair all over you, you're on the right track, girl. You're on the right track. We're gonna take this middle section, not the front section and not the very back, but we're gonna take the middle section and we're doing long layers here. So wherever that longest layer was in the front, again, this would be a lot easier if you had a razor comb, but I don't. You're gonna take the longest layer and just cut down. And then when it comes to the back, you're gonna kind of straighten it out, brush it to the side like this. And you don't want to start at the top, you want to kind of start down here. Because again, we're doing long layers. Because we want to keep the length in the hair. It's 26 inches, girl, we gotta keep that. So we're done with our rough cut. Now we're gonna go ahead and start curling the hair and make sure that everything falls where we want it to. Okay, when it comes to curling the hair, we want it to fall forward like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a triangular section like this. You see how it's like a triangle, I guess, like an acute triangle. And we're gonna take our curling iron. We're gonna go underneath the curl. And we're gonna curl backwards. People curl different ways. This is just how I curl. And they seem to come out pretty good every time, so. The curl should fall like this in your face. See? And then I like to do the front pieces at the same time so that they fall kind of in the same way. Go underneath the curl at an angle and curl backwards. One more time for demonstration purposes. Brush it out, comb it out, do what you gotta do. Go underneath the curl, curl backwards. And you wanna curl backwards on each side, if that makes sense. So on this side, we're curling to the left. And on the right side, we'll be curling to the right. And that's curling backwards. Some people like to curl on straight hair. For me, it doesn't really matter. I kind of prefer natural texture over straight hair, just because it gives it a little bit more volume than when you curl on straight hair. And I'm not like a flat hair girl. I like my hair to be thick and voluminous, you know? Sometimes it can get hard to keep the hair on the barrel. All you're gonna do is just hold the tip of the hair, like the ends, as you're curling. And it should stay tight on the barrel. Okay, we have one side curled. Now we're gonna work on the next side. We are officially done curling our whole head. And now I'm just gonna take my wig brush. You can do a paddle brush, you can do a comb, whatever you wanna do. Just know that each tool will cause like a different level of adjusting. So if you use a comb, it'll probably take a little bit longer, but you'll have a tighter curl. And if you use a brush, they'll be wavier, I believe. Anyway, spray some hairspray. And we're gonna gently just curl them out. Comb them out, should I say, not curl them out. And when it gets to this front section, oh yeah. See how I just did like one stroke and it's already wavy? And there you go. It's perfect. You will never know this wig was not all the way laid down. Never, never. Never, never. I like my hair to be a bit messy, so you're gonna play in it, pulling. I'm looking at the viewfinder right now because I'm trying to get these curls to the way I like them. And that, my friends, is how you get the bombshell curtain bang layered hair look. Thank you so much to Hermosa Hair for sending us over this beautiful wig and sponsoring this video. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. The hair is really good. Love the quality that they sent. The construction of the wig is a bit odd for me because I have a big head, but if you have a normal size head, this would be perfect for you. Again, it did come with the pre-cut bang in the front, as y'all saw, and it was very full, very thick. I feel like this is a 200% Disney wig. I'm not really sure though, but the volume is speaking for itself. Child, it just came out great. What else can I say? It came out great. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one.